So welcome everybody, Roy here from Yago Yoga. So here we are on day 19 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. And again, a little recap on yesterday is, if you remember, I was getting you to do the sway a little bit, and you're just swaying. And again, you're sitting on your sit bones, so it gives you a nice sense of stability in your body. And again, you can do this on any chair. And on any chair you sit in, so whether it's your house, your office, your chair in a home, you're anywhere, in the cafe, it's a subtle sway, so nobody will really notice. But just any chair you find yourself in, yeah. But then as you find yourself swaying, that tone in release in your body, tone and then release, then you're inhaling and you're exhaling, and you're finding the pace of your breath and the pace of your sway begin to sync up. And what happens is that you find yourself breathing your physical center of gravity and then your energetic, your breath center of gravity. And it just brings you deeper into your body and syncs your breath up with your physical center of gravity. Okay, and this is setting us up so we can begin to feel ourselves body breathing. But how did you get on with that? Is a little bit more to it than the previous ones. So again, did you find your sit bones? Did you feel yourself sitting a little taller? Did you notice the sway? Were you able to even it out? And then as you were letting yourself breathe at the same pace, inhaling and then exhaling, did you feel a rightness to it? Did you feel like your breath and your body the tone of it was generally syncing up? It was a nice sensation, quite relaxing. While giving you more tone in your body lets you feel your body more, it's also very relaxing. Did you get that? Or what did you get? And again, down the comments, give us a bit of feedback, yeah? So the challenge for today, again, we want to explore our breath awareness, and we want to explore our breath awareness and all the qualities and beginning to feel them more and more in the body. So now if you remember previously, I was getting you to breathe to the pause at the end of the exhale. And in the physical practice, that would be connecting to the ground and rooting, is resisting into the ground and rooting, getting that real grounding physical stability. Is the energetic stability is the pause at the end of the exhale. So we're looking to body breathe. So now what we want to do is begin to connect those two things together. So as you root down through your sit bones, you're sitting on your sit bones ever so slightly to the front, I'm going to get you again to sway, a nice gentle sway. And again, it's a very subtle one. Okay, it's very, very subtle, just a little bit, just so you can feel your weight shift gently from one sit bone to the next. But the weight's always on both, it's just you feel one takes a little bit more weight and then the other releases a little bit. So you get that tone and release around your trunk. And then you find yourself breathing like a pendulum, you're swaying like a pendulum, and you're syncing up your breath and your body. And then the muscles of your lungs, the tone in the muscles of your lungs begins to meet the tone of the muscles of your trunk. So you're syncing up the breath, the body, and then all the muscles of the body. The more we get into it, you start getting into your central nervous system. But for today, the challenge is, I want you to explore a little bit of a longer exhale. And the reason being, as you go into a longer exhale, keep swaying at a nice steady pace, but go longer into the exhale. And what's going to happen is that you're going to feel a greater tone in your lungs, but you're going to feel a greater tone in the trunk of your body. And you're going to feel that drawing down. Remember we talked about the letting go on the exhale? You're going to feel a tone in the body, but there's a drawing down all the way to your sit bones. So as you exhale, you're going to feel that draw down all the way through the muscles of your body, right through to the sit bones. Now what it does is that it's going to give you a clearer sense of sitting on the sit bones, but it's actually going to make you a little taller, because as the muscles draw in, the spine elongates. So I want you to focus on slowing down your exhale, so you're gently swaying, and all you got to do is slow down your exhale and just observe how the muscles of your body tone. Do not pull in any muscles. There is no need to pull the belly in. Please do not do that. Just exhale and watch how the muscles of your body naturally draw in. There's no need to pull them in. And remember, as you flow through your exhale, there's a bit of spaciousness in it, tone but space. As you flow to the peaceful completion, all the way into the pause, Notice how the tone of the trunk of your body comes to a peaceful completion as well. You find yourself in a tone that you can also be in the pause of it. Okay, so let me simplify that for you. As you exhale, just focus on your breath, let the muscles of your body tone, and you're going to start to feel the muscles of your body tone, but then you'll be really still and calm in it, because you come to the pause at the end of your exhale, and you're also feeling the muscle tone, and there'll be a calmness in that tone, and you'll feel it all the way down to your sit bones. And you're just exploring breathing and using your breath and your breath awareness and breathing down into your body. That's basically what I want you to feel, is that as you exhale, your awareness is moving down into your body. You can feel it. And then energetically, you can feel the connection. So while you're feeling the tone of the muscles, you're still breathing the space. You still have the flow. You still have the peaceful completion, and you have that wonderful connection and calmness in the pause at the end of the exhale. But yet you feel this beautiful engagement of your body. Gorgeous. That's the challenge. So the challenge today is you're bringing your breath awareness and you're bringing it more and more into your body. So down into your body today. Okay? And again, please subscribe if you haven't already. And any comments, put them in the comment section, and again, click for notification. And other than that, have a great day and see you tomorrow.